I have taught Merci Suárez Changes Gears by Meg Medina 5 times in my undergraduate classroom, and I am finally ready to tell you why you should read it as well. While Merci Suárez is categorized as a middle grade book, the novel's arc touches upon themes that speak to a wide range of audiences in different age brackets. So whether you are elderly or perhaps at the beginning stages of life, the novel depicts a host of characters that we all can relate to. The heart of the novel centers Merci Suárez, a 6th grader at Seaward Pines Academy, who is learning how to explore the bounds of her friendships, as well as learning how to assert her needs within her family. At school, we learn that Merci has a frenemy, Edna Santos, who is more enemy than friend. Edna targets Mercy's looks, her social status, her confidence, and her ability to concentrate in the classroom. Edna's character is brutal, and Medina does not hold back or sanitize the kind of pain and hurt that can come from this toxic friendship.
So when I was writing Merci, I was thinking about frenemies growing up. I don't know if you had one. I absolutely did. You know, she was a kid in my class from 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade, who was, often horrible to me, but you couldn't get away from the kid. Sometimes you were stuck in groups together, you had the same friends, you had to figure out how to make it go. And that's how it is with Edna and Merci. But, I had to think about how to end that story with Edna and Merci and tie it up in a way that was realistic to each of them. What was the best that they could do for each other? I think I got there, and I hope that when kids read the book, they sort of see different relationships that they have in their life and how we are friends, how we act as friends, and how friends act toward us. Anyway, it was fun, a little painful, a little crazy.
But it is that pain that draws us closer to Merci and allows us to empathize with her, either because we have caused someone that pain or we have experienced that kind of pain ourselves. Also, Merci doesn't fit into the stereotypical perfect student category. She struggles to live up to the legacy of her brother Rolly, who excels in STEM. Honestly, she would rather be playing soccer than completing her homework assignments. But there is no doubt that she tries. Perhaps if she did not have to carry so much anxiety around her friendship with Edna, she might actually be able to concentrate a little bit more in the classroom. However, the importance of social interactions and community seems to be a high priority for everyone in the 6th grade at Seaward Pines Academy. So it makes sense that Merci Suárez spends a large amount of her time trying to navigate and learn the rules of the social community. So when Merci is not in school, she is with her family. And all 3 generations of the Suárez family live side by side in 3 homes known in the book as either the Suárez compound or Las Casitas or simply home. And this home is where Merci is trying to sort through the role she plays and the role she wants to play within her family's growing dynamic. Is she the annoying little sister? Is she the babysitter? Is she the favorite grandchild? Is she the family archivist? Is she a worker within the family's business? And does she have a say in important family matters? So much of the conflict and tension within the novel is surrounded around Merci coming to terms with her role in her family. As she demands to be heard and to be given more agency, her family continues to disrespect her boundaries, and of course, the conflict comes to a head, and unfortunately, Merci breaks. But she's not the only one who's broken. Each family member is experiencing their own kind of brokenness, and once the main conflict is revealed, it is each of the family members' responsibility to then help each other heal. And so what Medina highlights so beautifully is that there is no picture-perfect ending for the Suárez family, even though it is the night of Noche Buena and they are all exchanging gifts, but rather a sense that there will be a continued move forward towards understanding and forgiveness in the years to come as they begin their journey towards healing.